Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. From the title and thumbnail you already know today I am going to do a 2 minutes makeup challenge. For sure I am not at all a makeup artist, neither good in makeup, but yes, I do basic makeup whenever I go out for parties or any functions. You can say a beginner. So for me 2 minutes is quite more challenging, but yes, I will try to do my makeup within 2 minutes. But before getting into the video, I will show you whatever the products I picked for a quick makeup look. So let's get into the video. Here I have taken green tea seed serum from Innisfree, which will helpful to blend the concealer and foundation smoothly. Then I have used a blending sponge, then a kajal, eyebrow pencil and one lipstick. For lips I use this lipstick, but for a smooth application I already used a lip balm, and I set timer for 2 minutes. You can see. So let's go. Here I am not concentrating on neck, only to my face. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh shit. Stop. This is the final look. My hair. And done. For this I am going to use, you can see, yes, I did it. Extra look, ear studs. This earrings and hair not included in that look, but yes, for a perfect look I have added this one later. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give your feedback in the comment section below, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.